Hello guys, good day. So I want to introduce to you global open source modular apartment software. This is a software that is used by caretakers, landlords to manage their properties like rentage services and others. Okay, so this is a free software, which means that you are free to use without paying a dime. It is like a multi apartment where individual caretakers could, register and log into their respective portals where they can start, adding landlords, tenant, properties, create an invoice, send an emails, and others. Okay, so now, guys, so you go to GOSMAS, you go to GOSMAS.com from the address bar GOSMAS.com. Okay, so now this is the login portal, and to create an account, click on register new account. Okay, so once you click on register account, you need to supply your email address to get started. So I want to supply my email address, and I'm going to click on get started. Okay, so guys, you are going to receive an email message from that your email, where you are going to follow the link. Okay, so you can use that opportunity to follow us on our page and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, so guys, let's log into my email and see what we have there. Okay, so we have GOSMAS get started free apartment management software. So when you click on the email, okay, so guys, we have some information here. Okay, but you should click on this link to continue your registration. So I'm going to click on that link, and of course it's going to open the website where I can actually continue my registration. So I want to say the name of my company is Reliable Reality. Okay, so, and the company short name, I want to use RRR. Okay, let's say Reliable Reality Limited or something. So this is my email that I earlier supplied. So I'm gonna say Canada. Okay, the slogan, so we can, I want to use this as my slogan. Okay, so now click on next to continue. Okay, so the next option is for you to set your location. So I'm gonna pick Canada. Okay, so Canada, you can pick the state, maybe Manitoba. Then let me pick my city. Okay, so now you click on next to set the your time zone, your direction, and all that's your currency. So I am just gonna pick US dollar, or let me pick okay, you know what, let me just pick USD. Okay, and pick some of the, okay, let me pick America. Then okay, I need left to right, I need an English. Okay, if you are from Arabic speaking language, you pick Arabic. Okay, so but as for me, I'm gonna pick English. So the next thing is to click on next. Then we need to set our caretaker's account. So I am going to call it, I'm gonna call it GOSMAS developer. Okay, this is my email address. Okay, and the email, I'm going to say +51, just put something there. Of course you should put original phone number there. Okay, so the next thing is the password. I'm gonna select my password. Okay, then click on next. All right, so we have some authentication, and of course I have a map. This is to prevent those who use bots to register on website. Okay, so you need to pass through this simple authentication. So 10 minus 3. If you don't know it, click on launch calculator. So let's say 10 minus 3 is equal to, okay, 7. So I'm gonna put 7 there, then tick to accept our terms and condition. Okay, so the next step is to click on submit. Okay, so when you click on submit, of course it's going to create your account for you, and this is your email address to log into your portal. I'm gonna copy the email address and the password that you have chosen. Okay, so it's here. All right, so now guys, this is the login interface. I'm going to log into my caretaker account. Okay, your email and the password you chose during registration. So I'm going to click on login to log into my portal. Okay, so this is coming up. Okay, beautiful. So guys, this is my caretaker portal. Okay, so this tutorial explain how to use the software in details, but of course the first thing that should be done is your basic settings, where you are going to set your logo, property, list type, tenant type, your email template. So let me click on system and let's see what we got there. Okay, so this is the name, Reliability Solution Limited. Just set your basic things there. So from there you go to your logo, click on logo, set your logo, then go to properties. You need to set your property type, amenities, utilities, unit type. All right, so guys, I want you to watch this video. This is going to explain in details, okay, how to use the software from starting from adding properties, generating an invoice, sending email message, and others. Okay, so and of course guys, you should receive welcome email from GOSMAS. Okay, if your account has been set up successfully. Like now we have congratulations, your company has been registered successfully. So if I click on that, so I should see the information. So this is the name that I've typed. Okay, so this is my email address. Okay, so this is the caretaker name. This is what I've chosen. Okay, and this is the password that I typed. Okay, so if anything goes wrong, you should contact support at gosmax.com. Okay, so that is the simple registration and how to create your account on GOSMAS. Okay, GOSMAS is an apartment management software. It is not real estate. It is meant for people that has properties for rentage. Okay, like in UK now you can have like 3 properties occupied by your tenant, so you can use this software to track the number of tenants you have, the number of properties you have, the time the tenant rent is going to expire, go to rent. You understand what I'm saying? So like now you can do a lot of things. You can go to the expense, generate an invoice, create vacate notices, okay, set language, manage landlords, manage tenant. Okay, like tenant, there are 2 types of tenant, which could be corporate or business, depending on the one that you won't use. Okay, so now that is about the GOSMAS. Okay, use the software free of charge, without charges, and enjoy. Thank you. Bye.